Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So I got another Gensco. I'm going to name their name this time. I'm not going to say HVAC distributor. Gensco treated me like crap again, and I'm tired of it. So watch the video, guys. You're going to like it. Hey guys, I forgot a little backstory too on this. So, you know, over the years too, they've told me that they can't deliver stuff to me in the afternoon, same day. But I know for a fact from other companies in town they have a hot truck that'll bring it out. I just happen to live too far away from them, you know, like 40 minutes as opposed to somewhere in Bend, which could be 20 to 30 minutes away, but they wouldn't bring it up to me when I was in Culver. I'm in Terrebonne, which is closer to Bend now, and they still won't do it. They say, well, we can't deliver the stuff on the same day, even though I know for a fact that they will do that same day to other companies. I'm just not important enough to them. So there's been some other things. I've had to chew out the old store manager that was there, and you know, I don't get anywhere with them because I just don't sell enough boxes for them. You know, I'm not a new construction contractor, hack contractor that throws boxes in. I do high quality work and I buy stuff sporadically, and they don't care about guys like me. And that's just the way it is in the industry. And they can lie to me to the face. I get sales speak from them, and they're trained this way, I'm pretty sure, to not care about guys like me. So there's the backstory on that. It's worse than what I've said. So yeah, that's it. Let's get on with this video. Hey guys, Seton HVAC here. So I was going to do some shorts on this, but I think it's better translated in a video. So I did a video about all the returns I did at Gensco. Yes, Gensco distributors, HVAC distributors. And they sent all this stuff back. Now, I understand these are dirty, but I mean, he told me to take some paper towels and wipe them down and they'll take them back. But some of this stuff's ridiculous. Like, let's see here. Where'd I put that? Oh. This elbow. This elbow. It's got a little bit of dirt film. You know what? They have dirt film in their warehouse. I get stuff worse than this sometimes. What else we got? No, let's check out this elbow. You guys see anything wrong with that elbow? You can almost eat off that. And Gensco doesn't want to take that back. So they sent this whole bundle of pipe back. Okay, so the inner one has some dirt on it, but if you just peel back some of these outer ones, they're brand new, guys. There's nothing wrong with these. And the guy gave me back these whole bundles. I mean, this shit's like 30 to 40 bucks for one section. And they're just giving it back to me. They don't want to credit me for it. They brought back this, what is this size is this? This 18-inch pipe. Said there's something wrong with it. Do you guys see anything wrong with this pipe? What's wrong with this pipe? Does it have holes in it? There's nothing wrong with it. It's completely brand new. This, what is it, 14-inch? Yeah, this 14-inch elbow is brand new. Brand new. Doesn't have any dirt, nothing in it. Okay, there's a little bit of dirt right there. Give me a break, guys. Can you believe this? Let's look at some of this other stuff they sent back. Oh, this end cap, this 10-inch end cap. Sorry, guys. Do you see anything wrong with that? Is there anything wrong with that cap? It's got a little divot. You know what? It didn't have that divot when I sent it to him. I think he threw it in a box or something. Do you see anything wrong with that? You're sending that back to me. Somebody that's been purchasing stuff for you for years. I used to purchase stuff from them before they were called Gensco. They were Gensco Albina when they did the merger, and they're treating me like this. What else? What else? Let's look at some of this. Yeah, mainly just sent back all these elbows because they felt like, you know, hey, we don't have room for them or something. I bet you that's what it was. I got a couple of them. Yeah, a little dirt in them. It's ridiculous, guys. Yeah, let me show you these inner ones. So yeah, it's got some dirt on the inner one. But all you gotta do is peel back these outer ones. They're perfectly clean. So what if they got a little dirt on them? It's construction. He told me to take some paper towels and handy wipes and wipe everything down. And he goes, then maybe we'll take them back. I mean, what is it? What are they putting a fucking microscope to this stuff? Sorry about the profanities, guys. I don't want that to be this type of channel. But Are we... What are they doing? Do you want to lose my business over this? This and the invoice thing, the other distributor issues I had? Oh, I don't want to be a complainer, but come on. I'm trying to run a business here. I needed all this space in my shop here. There's nothing wrong with this stuff. Yeah, well, this one I understand. You can bring this back to me. I will wipe it down with a diaper for you, and you can take it back. Are you kidding me? Half the day, I bet these guys are standing around the shop. I'm a one-man band. And you're going to send this crap back to me? It's completely and utterly ridiculous. And I want to make sure everybody knows this is how Gensco treats one-man bands. If I was a larger company, they'd have taken all this stuff back, no questions asked. They tell I'm not going to say minions. They tell their guys in the warehouse to wipe this stuff down. You know what? These guys spend a lot of money with us, so we need to make sure. I spend a lot of money with them too. Not nearly what these large hack companies do. A lot of them are hack companies that just install crap work. I'm doing nice work, and I finally try to give some stuff back in 4 years, and this is how I'm treated. Yeah, wonderful, isn't it? Isn't it wonderful? Okay, guys, rant over. I just wanted to tell you that Gensco's not treating me any better. They fixed one thing and they caused another problem. I want everybody to know about it.